In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the features of your Wise account, which will make your travels smoother and more cost-effective. Let's dive right in and make sure you're ready to explore the financial side of your travels with confidence. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wise account. This is your secure portal where you can manage your finances effortlessly, whether you're at home or on the go. Once you're logged in, it's time to focus on your card. Click on the Cards section. Here, you have access to all the functionalities that are specifically related to your Wise card. This section is your gateway to making real-time, seamless transactions. Now, let's take a look at how you can make the most out of your Wise account when traveling. You'll want to scroll down and click on the Travel Hub. This hub is your travel buddy. It's designed to help you navigate the complexities of spending money internationally with ease. The Travel Hub offers insights into what it's like to spend money locally in a different country and how the auto-conversion feature works. For instance, imagine you're planning a trip to Germany. The auto-conversion option becomes particularly useful in this scenario. It gives you the flexibility to always spend in euros if you choose to. This means that every time you make a payment abroad, the currency conversion happens automatically, saving you the hassle of doing it manually or dealing with unexpected exchange rates. This is especially comforting to know, as it ensures you're always paying the correct amount without any hidden charges or discrepancies. One great thing about using Wise is its convenience. As long as there is a balance in any of your linked accounts, you can easily manage your payments and expenditures, no matter where you are in the world. This level of accessibility is a real game changer for frequent travelers or anyone planning their adventures abroad. With the auto-conversion, you're not only saving time, but also avoiding unnecessary costs associated with traditional currency exchanges. This setup ensures that you can navigate financial transactions overseas as if you're a local. This feature really highlights how Wise aims to make your international transactions straightforward and efficient, allowing you to focus on making the most of your travels. In summary, by exploring and utilizing the Travel Hub along with auto-conversion, you're setting yourself up for a seamless financial experience during your travels. Wise is committed to providing clarity and simplicity, empowering you to spend more time enjoying your travels while they handle the intricacies of global finances. With these tools at your disposal, managing your money abroad becomes just another exciting part of your journey.